we must not believe in images. We must take the reality as such, and we must we must defend this reality. And it was a topic about the war in Iraq. That the images that comes from this war. She asked herself about the power of information. Are we really informed through images? Is the credibility of images if people react to the images as to be informed, sensibilized, mobilized through images? And she said, yes, that's a problem, but at the end, images play a role, a positive role in information. There is an information through images. We must believe that we get a part of reality through media, through images. We must. This is a moral position in front of reality. And believing in reality is today a moral position, realistic but moral position. And she accused the other people not to take in doubt about this possibility of real information. And it was a case very interesting in the. Then she told a story, and she told a story about the landing on the moon, as I don't know which name, landed on the moon in 69 or something like that. She assisted to this landing by people were there for the TV, and at the moment the people say to her, "Oof, is that real? We don't believe exactly this thing. Are people really landing on the moon? We are not sure. And then Susan Sontag said to them, but what are you exactly looking at? And the people said, we watch on television. What are we looking at? Not at moon or landing. We watch at television, at the screen. The only thing we watch at, we look at, is the screen. And then, I see that my story, and it was very interesting because Susan Sontag said people don't believe in images. They are a sense for reality. The common people, only intellectuals believe in images, media, irrealité, hyperrealité, and French intellectuals, of course. But in this response from the people, for the common people, that were exactly the inverse. They say, we look at images. We look not beyond the images towards a hypothetic reality. In this hypothetic, we don't believe. We believe in TV. We believe in the images of TV. We look at. So sometimes she told the argument against herself. But this is but imperialism, I cannot understand that. Imperialism, besides if it exists still only an imperialism as it was defined, not imperialism is a concept, a political concept. Whether it is today an imperialism, this sort of world power we spoke of is not imperialism. Imperialism is the power of a nation, of a class, of a subject, it was the golden age of empires is over too. And when we speak of the empire of good, as Bush say, the empire of Bush, it is maybe an imperial domination of a symbolic value, of a moral value. It's no more an geographic, economic, political imperium. It is a judgment of value over the rest of the world. We are the good, and all the rest is evil. Yeah. But it's not no more imperialism as before, of course. It's an ultimatum of the power.